What's going on, y'all? It's Ohio Skater, and I'm back with another video for you. So before this video starts, I just want to add this little clip about I have a friend, a good friend that I've known for years. He used to be my neighbor a long time ago, and he's no longer my neighbor, but I still love this dude, man. He's a good guy. He's always been a good person that ever since I've known him. If you need help and you're near him, you know, you can talk to him. He'll help you. If he's able to do it, he'll definitely help you. He's a good dude. But unfortunately, his wife Amy just passed away, and there's a GoFundMe for the funeral and bills and stuff. The story is, what happened is she's diabetic. She had to get her leg amputated. It got infected. They had to cut more of it off to try to prevent it from spreading, and it was unsuccessful. She ended up brain dead and on a ventilator, and he recently had to pull the plug and pull the ventilator, and she passed away. So rest in peace to Amy. If there's anybody here that can help at all, any amount of money, I'm sure he would really appreciate, and it would really help his family out. So she was a grandma, she was a mother, and she was loved by, you know, her family and a lot of others, I'm sure, as well. And I know I really liked her. She was always nice to me. And yeah, it's really sad. So if anybody out there can help by donating or whatever, any amount of money would be awesome. I'll leave a link in the description to the GoFundMe. And I hope everybody out there is having a good day and doing well. Tell your family you love them, because, you know, life don't last forever. So I hope y'all are having a great day, and I hope you enjoy the video.
What's going on, guys? It's OhighO Skater, and I'm back with another video for you. So today we're gonna do a video about how to make some skater trainers on your own, some homemade skater trainers, and they're probably like 15 bucks cheaper than the actual things. I think the actual things are like 18 bucks or something, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. But this one, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make them for like under $3, I think, something like that. Maybe if you don't have a knife, then you might have to get that too. But basically, you can make skater trainers for less than 3 bucks, and I'm gonna show you how. And this is the skater trainers I use. Less than $3 to make, and they work just fine. So basically, they're just tennis balls. You can get tennis balls just like that. You can get these tennis balls right here from Walmart, and they're like, I think, what, $1.50 a piece or something. They only come in packs of 3 though, so you gotta buy 2 packs. So I have 2 extra. But today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make these into something that fits over your wheels. And if you're wondering, that's why I left one open, because I'm going to show you how to put it on. When you get these things from Walmart, it's kind of cool because they're pressurized. So you're going to pop the top, and then it'll have this silver top that's kind of like a food can or something that you peel the top, kind of like a pop tabs on top. But anyway, you pop that, and then you have yourselves a tennis ball. Alright, so I've already made mine. I have 4, but I didn't make a video about it. So I'm about to show you guys how to make one. I'm only going to do one because that's all I need, but I think it'll be good information for you. Alright, so basically you take your tennis ball, you take your knife. Most people around my parts has a pocket knife. There's a good use for it. Alright, what you're going to want to do is take your tennis ball and find about the middle of it. Make sure it's on a surface that you're not going to stab yourself. And if you're under 18, do it with parental supervision, or have your parents do it for you, because I don't want to see any of my subscribers get cut, because it would hurt. But you just kind of work your way down in there, and then let me get over here so you can actually see. But you just cut in there, and then you work your way around. Let me move this camera back now. Alright, and then you take this, or maybe scissors, I don't know, I feel like scissors would be hard to use, but you just work your way around. And like I say, it is kind of dangerous, so if you're going to do it, I hope you use parental supervision, or maybe even have your parent do it, because it's going to hurt if you cut yourself. You just cut down through here, you get about, and always cut away from yourself, never cut towards yourself. See the progress we're making? You want to do it where it gets down to a little bit, like, I think a little past halfway. Alright, that should be good. Since I already made one, I'm gonna just put this back in the tennis thing, and I'm gonna use the other one that I've already made. But yeah, that's how you do it. At the end, it should look something like this here. So yeah, if you see that, you're doing good. Now once you're at this point, you have the tennis ball cut. This is the other one that I had already made. I figured why dirty that one up when this one's already been dirty. So yeah, basically you just take this, you squeeze it like that so you get the open mouth, kind of like a Pac-Man, and he chomps down on the wheel. It's gonna take a little bit of effort, but you can get it. Well, this one slid on easier, made me look stupid, but you know, it is what it is. Basically, pop that bad boy on there, your board starts to look something like this, and then you're prepared to go try some tricks. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up now. We'll see if we can't do a little kick flip or ollie or something like that, so I can show you guys that it's worth doing. You know, it does work. It stops the board from rolling. It rolls a little bit, so I think it's a positive that it rolls a little bit, because it kind of gives you a little bit more practice on balancing even while you still have help. But the only downside of these, I will say, one downside is it adds a little bit of height to your board. So it's gonna feel different than when you're popping with just your normal wheels without these, because the board's gonna be a little closer to the ground without these, but it'll give you a general idea of how to do it. You know, you'll get the fundamentals down, and then you can pop these bad boys off and get to getting, you know, get her done. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and give these things a shot. By the way, check out this board. I love this board. Creature all day. Shout out David Gravette. You're my favorite current skater. Tony Hawk's my favorite skater overall ever, because he does so much for the community, but gotta love David Gravette. Country boy, still skating. And I'm not a country guy, I'm just from the country, but you know, it is what it is. Alright guys, so hopefully my head is still in frame. I no longer can use my GoPro because I can't update it, and it just won't work. I don't know what's going on, but I think it's because I need to update it, and I don't know the password because I bought it from a pawn shop and they didn't give me the password. But anyway, I'm about to show you guys how this works, and I hope it helps you. I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and turn the board around, because let's face it, I should be facing you. Alright guys, the first trick I'm going to practice is an ollie. So I feel like a lot of people that try this are going to be practicing ollies. So let's see how it works. See? Board didn't roll at all, and it, you know, made me feel solid. It's good. I like this a lot. It's good times. Very nice, very nice. This is just going to be kind of a shot in the wind because I haven't warmed up at all. But I want to go ahead and try a kickflip. Most likely not going to land it because I haven't warmed up, and also I haven't been able to skate a lot. But those are just excuses, man. Get on the board and do it. Just do it. All right, guys, I'll do it. Jeez, calm down, calm down. Yeah. Felt good, guys. I'm just kidding. It did hurt, though. Ow. All right. So the tennis balls do not protect you from shinners. We've learned that. Man, that does not feel good. Shinners are no bueno. That's real. Oh yeah, guys. Yeah. A little bit of war wounds. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a couple ollies, show you how the board reacts. It's pretty good. Did you guys see that? I totally screwed it up. Probably would have slipped out hardcore if it weren't for those tennis balls. So normally I'd edit that out, but I'm gonna keep it because it's good for educational purposes. The tennis balls probably saved my dome piece, my little old noggin. All right, guys, 2 more ollies, and then I'm getting out of here. There's one. That was a pretty good one. And you guys can see that the board's not sliding out from under you and stuff. That's the whole point of these things. There's 2, but I didn't think that was good enough, so I'm gonna give 1 more. There we go. That was a pretty good one. Pretty high one. I'm gonna do 1 more because I kind of lost balance. Alright guys, that was good enough for me. I'm about to skate a little bit, and then I got to getting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. this was basically a how-to for DIY skater trainers. They're pretty cheap. You can do it for under $3 on your own. If you do it yourself, I'd recommend having a parent at least supervise you. I'd probably have a parent do it. Don't try this at home so you can't sue me. And they're easy to make. They don't take very long, and you can pop them on and off. You don't have to worry about it. You can put them in your backpack, take them to the skate park, skate when you want, pop these on when you want. Yeah, this is how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate everybody watching. And I hope you have a great day / night or whatever it is where you live. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Make yourself some skater trainers. It's Ohio Skater, and I'm out, son.